Good morning, dear students. In yesterday's class, we have gone through the instruction set of 8051. Now, we are going to discuss a problem based on that. The problem is the internal RAM location 30H holds the data 40. The value stored in RAM location 40H is 10. What will be the value in locations 30H and 40H after the following instructions are executed? The program is move or not, comma, hash 30H, move a, comma, at or not, move R1, comma, a, move a, comma, hash 7FH, move at R1, comma, a, exchange a, comma, at or not. Here or not and R1 are registers and A is the accumulator register. Hash denotes immediate data and at represents the address. Now, the initial values given are the RAM location holds the value 40 at the location 30H and the internal RAM location 40H holds the value 10. Now, we are going to execute the problem step by step in a tabular column. In step 1, the initial data and the register values are denoted. The initial data at accumulator R0 and R1 are 0. That is, they are empty. And the RAM location 30H holds the data 40H and the RAM location 40H holds the data 10H. The first instruction is move or not hash 30H. That is, the immediate data 30 is moved to the location R0. Now, after execution, the register R0 will be holding the value 30 and the RAM locations holds the same value. The accumulator and R1 remains empty. Now, the second instruction is executed. Move accumulator, comma, at the rate R0. That is, the address at the location R0 is fetched first, that is 30H, and the value at the memory location 30H is moved to the accumulator. That is, now the accumulator holds the value 40. Next instruction is move R1, comma, A. That is, the value at the accumulator is moved to the register R1. That is, now the value at the register R1 is 40. Next instruction is move A, comma, hash 7FH. That is, the data, immediate data 7FH is moved to the accumulator. Now the value of the accumulator is 7F. Next, move at R1, comma, A. That is, at R1 indicates the address first. The address is fetched from the location R1, that is 40H. That RAM location 40H will be holding 7FH. Next instruction is exchange A, comma, at or not. That is, the data between the data in the address location R0 and the accumulator content are exchanged. Now, the value of the accumulator will be 40H and the value of the location 30H is 7FH. This is the values after executing the final instruction. And now we will be getting the solution 7FH and 40H. Thank you. We will discuss the remaining in the next class.